Hello everyone. Let's talk about boosting your laptop's performance. Today we're diving into the NEMIX RAM 64GB DDR5 SODIMM kit, specifically designed for laptops and small form factor PCs. This kit boasts 2 by 32GB sticks running at a speedy 5,200 MHz with a CAS latency of 44. NEMIX RAM positions itself as a provider of high-quality memory solutions, and this DDR5 kit seems to align with that claim. The kit is PC5-41600 rated, operating at a standard 1.1V, and features a 262-pin SODIMM form factor. It's also non-ECC unbuffered, making it suitable for a wide range of laptops, including the Dell Precision 7680 mobile workstation as advertised. One of the biggest advantages of upgrading your RAM is the immediate performance boost you'll notice. More RAM means your system can handle more tasks simultaneously, leading to smoother multitasking, faster application loading times, and an overall snappier experience. For professionals who work with large data sets, video editing, or other memory-intensive applications, 64GB of DDR5 RAM can be a game-changer. NEMIX RAM emphasizes the ease of installation, suggesting that most users can upgrade their memory in just a few minutes. While this is generally true, it's always crucial to consult your laptop's owner's manual for specific instructions and compatibility information. Incorrect installation can lead to system instability or even damage. The company also backs its products with a lifetime replacement warranty, which is a significant plus. This demonstrates confidence in the quality and reliability of their memory modules. Furthermore, they offer IT support, which can be invaluable if you encounter any issues during installation or operation. While the specifications look promising, real-world performance is what truly matters. The 5,200 MHz speed and DDR5 architecture should provide a noticeable improvement over older DDR4 memory, especially in tasks that heavily rely on memory bandwidth. The CL44 latency is decent, although lower latencies generally translate to slightly better performance. Overall, the NEMIX RAM 64GB DDR5 SODIMM kit appears to be a solid option for users looking to upgrade their laptop's memory. The high capacity, fast speed, and lifetime warranty make it an attractive choice, particularly for professionals and power users who demand the best possible performance from their machines. Just remember to double-check compatibility with your specific laptop model before purchasing.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.